I am going to make dessert ravioli. So I'm going to make the filling for the ravioli, and all it is ricotta mixed with chocolate hazelnut spread and a little bit of Parmesan, a little bit of powdered sugar. Parmesan, that would be very gross. That would be strange. All right, now I'm gonna mix this together. Ricotta, chocolate hazelnut, and powdered sugar. Kind of an unusual combination, isn't it, Paige? Okay, that's all mixed together. In fact, I'm stopping short because I still want to kind of see the ricotta swirls in there. So now it's time to build the ravioli, and I am using wonton wrappers. Wonton wrapper ravioli is incredible. I use it to make regular ravioli. You can fill it with sort of a shrimp mixture. You can fill it with a veggie mixture, a cheese mixture. So I put a little spoonful in the middle, and then I've got a beaten egg, and I'm just dipping my finger in it and running it around the edge. And this is gonna act as the glue with the wonton wrapper. And then I'll take a second one and square it up on top of the filling. So once you get the ends kind of glued together, you've got to go around the edge and force the air out. You basically want this to be sealed together for the rest of eternity, or until you eat the ravioli. Okay, so look, Paige, all the air bubbles are out and you can see the filling in there. Wow. All right, one ravioli done. Now I'm gonna build 5 more exactly like this. Okay, got them all built. Whew. And I've got a pan with some vegetable oil, and I'm gonna drop all 6 of these in at once, and they are gonna take no time at all to cook. And then I'll take them out and show you how to finish this up. Okay, take a look. They almost got a little too brown, but actually they're perfect. Look at the golden, and I love how the wonton wrappers get kind of bubbly when they fry. So to finish them, I've got some white chocolate that I melted over a double boiler. I'm gonna see how stirrable, drizzleable it is.
Drizzleable.
And my goal is to drizzle kind of back and forth. It's a mess, but you know, that's what we're all about here. We're about delicious messes. And I have totally accomplished my goal. Chopped hazelnuts, you can do pecans, walnuts, anything you want. But how fun are these?
They look awesome.
And that chocolate ricotta mixture in the center, I know is just gonna be soft and ooey gooey. And then some sliced strawberries. I think this turned out just beautifully. What do you guys think?
I think you've done it again.
Did you know pasta could be dessert?